If you like apples, then come with us to learn how to make this dough, which is perfect for an afternoon snack. Take 3 apples. Cut each one into cubes, removing the seeds. Prepare a rectangular pan greased with butter, and sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar on the bottom. Place the apples, distributing them evenly in the pan. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. And using a mixer, beat until you reach this texture. At this point, add 80 grams of butter and 150 grams of sugar. Beat until the texture is smooth and emulsified. Now add vanilla to taste and 200 milliliters of milk. Now mix and gently incorporate the batter with a whisk. Here, sift 300 grams of flour. Now just mix well but calmly, and gradually the batter will start to come together and gain this consistency. Add a spoonful of baking powder and fold it into the batter. Once the batter is ready, distribute it in the pan over the apples, making it even. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And our apple cake is ready. Look how beautiful and fluffy the dough turned out. Perfect for your afternoon snack. The special touch of sifted sugar on top makes all the difference. Make it at home and enjoy every bite. If you like this recipe, leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Tell us what your favorite cake is. Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.